In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language to spell check in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you write messages in more than one language, or if you're working with an international team and want your spelling suggestions to match the language you're actually using. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own Teams app. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see an icon with three small dots, sometimes called the More Options or Ellipsis button. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is where you'll find a lot of your personal app settings. After you click the three dots, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a separate settings window or panel where you can customize how Teams behaves. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections listed along the left-hand side. Find and click on the section called General. The General tab holds most of the common preferences, including language-related features. Once you're in the General section, scroll down until you find the area for spell check. This is where you can manage which languages Teams uses when it underlines words as misspelled and offers corrections. If you don't see it right away, just move slowly down the page. It's usually grouped with other language or application settings. Next, look for a button or link labeled Manage within the spell check area and click on it. This opens the detailed controls for managing your spell check languages. In the Manage area, you'll see an option with a small arrow, typically next to a drop-down list. Click on that arrow. This will expand a full list of available languages that Microsoft Teams can use for spell checking. From this list, carefully scroll and select the language you want to add. Make sure you pick the correct regional variant if there are multiple versions, such as different dialects or country-specific settings. Once you've selected the language, look for the Add button and click on it. That confirms your choice and adds the new language to your spell check options in Teams. After adding it, you can simply close the settings window. From now on, when you type in Teams, the spell checker will recognize that added language and help you catch mistakes more accurately.